Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile when you are swiping it down, this is called quick panel. Okay, so if you want to change the layout of quick panel, what you need to do I am going to tell you very quickly in this video, not mobile, in mobile also. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this after watching it completely. So what you need to do, just go to the Galaxy Store, download Good Luck application. Here you will find that play icon. If you have not downloaded it, the download down arrow signal will come here. Just download it. As soon as you will open it, you will land up here and you will see terrace, makeup and live up. What you need to do, go to the makeup. In makeup, go to the quick star. Here style your own quick panel, just turn it on. Now you can select these themes also. Just suppose I am selecting this. Okay, now it will change. Now go back. See, it has changed. So I will take a screenshot. Now suppose I want to make my own theme. If you want to go to original one, just deselect it, just press plus, and from here you can make your own. Suppose I want this. Now I will download it. Name hi. Okay, go back, go to the hi, select it. Okay, now go back. Just it has been changed. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how to make your own quick panel. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.